What is up guys, TSG reviews and stuff back here with another video, and today I will be doing a quick unboxing and just an overall impression on the Spigen rugged armor case for the Pixel 4a. Now if you've seen my previous video, I did the unboxing and the first impression for the Seal by Cyril, I don't know how you pronounce that, the case for the Pixel 4a. And initially I really liked it, but after a while of using it, I am not going to recommend this case at all. So first of all, the reason is, as you can see from at the back, you can see some black spots here. It's basically the back of the phone touching the case. Now that's the problem with the translucent cases, and I really didn't expect that initially. I was like, maybe it's just gonna get better, but it didn't. That is one issue. The other issue is basically the case is starting to turn yellow from the sides, and that is a big problem. That's a big problem, to be honest. So as you can see, if you're living in India, you probably know by now that on Amazon, the cases for the Pixel 4a, especially from Spigen, weren't available. But day before yesterday, when I just viewed some cases for the Pixel 4a, I could actually see cases from Spigen. Pretty much all of the cases were available, and if you want to check one out, you can go ahead, check it out right now, because I feel they're going to be out of stock pretty soon. So don't wait, just check it out now. So right now I have the Spigen rugged armor. So I bought this for like 719 rupees. I'm not sure, I think 719 or 20 rupees, and that's actually much more cheaper than what is available on Spigen's official site in dollars. So let's go ahead and unbox this. This is the case. Okay, it's kind of the box is kind of in a bad shape. Let me just take a look and see. This is your Pixel 4a rugged armor. And let's just see what do we have in here. Okay. Okay, this looks pretty good. I like it. It has a nice greeny texture at the back that will provide you with a bit more grip. And these are your patterns here. Just a little bit more design. Just looks cool. And you have a carbon fiber trim here. It says Spigen. You got your fingerprint sensor cut out, your camera cut out, your headphone jack cut out, secondary mic noise cancellation, sorry, your power button and your volume button, and your speaker grill, your mic, and your USB Type-C. Looks pretty good. I actually own one of these for the MIA one, and it looked pretty good. You have a pattern inside that's for the shock absorption. So let's just add it to this case. Let's put this on this phone. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, this looks pretty good. Yeah, let me focus. I'll just put these things to the side. It has razivity on the sides too. So as you can see, a little bit of razivity, so you can put your phone like that and the screen won't touch it. So this case looks pretty good in my opinion. It has this nice texture. Oh, the sides are also these sides also have some grip here. Let me focus so you can see. So that's a nice thing. That'll provide you with a lot more grip. Also guys, I just noticed this case is not thick at all. It is so thin. just by using it like for 10 seconds, I just realized how thin and how light this case feels. This is so much more slimmer than what this felt using the case from my Seal by Cyril case. This is really slim, and I really like it. It doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone. I think it looks pretty good, man. The buttons are pretty clicky, I must say. They're pretty clicky. Also, I just noticed that it's pretty easy to take off and on. So, like, I have it off. All I gotta do is just slap that in like that. A lot more easier than this case. So, yeah, I think that's a plus point. But it's also not really loose from the side. It provides you with that kind of stiffness. So it will definitely protect your case. I probably will be buying some other cases from Spigen too. I'm not going to buy anyone from Seal by Cyril, and I also won't recommend you getting one of those because of my own experience with the case and also to save your own money. But this case, definitely. This case is really nice. I just need a bit more time with this so I can get a bit more familiar. But personally, I think my first impressions are that this case is really worth the money and it does what it needs to. It will provide you with that kind of protection without adding a lot of bulk to the phone. So I'm pretty happy with this case. The design is it's not very flashy, I would say. It's kind of sleek, simple, but it's not a bad thing. I really like the precision cuts and pretty impressed with this overall. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. My next full review will be coming on the Pixel 4a, I guess, in another week or two. So stay tuned for that. So thanks for watching, guys, and I see you in my next video. Peace.